What's up, YouTube? Today is the 13th of April, Monday, 2009. After this Easter holiday weekend, it's about 9:25. So market's gonna open up soon. I got the watch list built up, and I'll be back with the market open at 9:30. Alright guys, here we go. Market's opened up with just a small gap down. Not much. Dow is at it opened at 8,076. DIA is at 80.05. We're gonna be looking at this 80 level. See if it breaks down through that, which is just did right there. And it's got a support level at 79.86. So I'll be back with some trades here, guys. I'm looking at this STX Seagate Technology, and I'm looking to get in long. Let me see here what the news was that made me like it, but right now all I'm waiting for is a positive bullish candlestick pattern, and also waiting for the moving averages to point upwards for an entry here. On the daily, it broke through the 10-day moving average to the downside, so looking for maybe this as a support area. It just sold off hard here, so that's why I'm waiting. So this was the news here that STX sees first quarter, or I'm not sure what this means, sees revenue of 2.1 billion versus 1.88 billion consensus, and its previous outlook of 1.62 billion. So it's just looking good. Sees fourth quarter revenue of 1.9 to 2.2, and it's starting to go here. Might look to answer. If this closes a bullish engulfing pattern, we got 8 seconds left here. Alright, did. Let's see if it keeps going. Alright, I'm gonna get in. It's got 2,000. I got 4,000 shares. Spiders are selling off a little bit, but I'm trusting my candlestick pattern here. So I'm going to be back to update this. Just looking for a nice pop, maybe to that 10-day moving average, which is at 622. Alright guys, here we go. Might see those 20s here. Actually, I got more shares. I got 8,000 at an average entry of 611. Just need another pop here. Alright, I'm just gonna sell them out here. There we just got that pop, man. You saw that 21. So close that out. Got a profit of 452. It's pretty much about 160 in excuse me, in commissions. So still not bad. It got up to 21 So, man, if I would have just held it, just you saw that just a couple of seconds longer, I would have been well off here. Anyway, be back with some more. Alright guys, just went long on GS. It's pumping to new highs here. So I got 700 shares at 127.30. Looking for some weakness in the time and sales. I'm up already pretty nicely. Alright, selling mine off here. So got a profit there of about 287 actually. So I'm up 740. Alright, just went long here on excuse me, on Apple. I'm at 120.05, and if it breaks through that 120, I'm gonna get out for a loss. That's my stop out. So I'll be back to update this one. So far so good here. Alright, just sold them out. Wasn't as good as that GS play, but about 200. I could have held on to it a little longer, made a bit more. It was good for a scalp. So I'm up 9:36 for the morning. It's 10:04. Just looking back here real quick at this STX. Glad I got out, because that 621 looked to be the high for that period of time I held on to this. So that was a pivot point right there, and it just fell through. So not gonna try this one anymore. Got what I need out of it. I just got back into GS here, looking for a little scalp, because it just kind of broke the 10-day moving average. So I got 700 shares at 29 at 127.29, and it should pop back up here. It's been holding that moving average pretty nicely all morning. As you can see, it popped up. Looking for a little bit more. Got almost 100. There we go. Looking to get out maybe just a bit over 50, maybe 60. It looks like it's having trouble with that 50. Alright, there we go. Right there, out. So close that out. Profit of 206. So I'm up 11:42 in the morning. Alright, just got back into this GS. Banks are just wonderful playing them today. So I'm in there at a 128.09, and markets are going here. Just made new highs on GS and sold off, so I think it's because of that 128 number. Just has to shake out some of the longs that want to take some profits here. Then it should move back in the highs. See, we had the high on 125. You see, it's fiddling with that area right now. All right, just moving the highs right now. See if we can get some 40s. All right, I'm taking my profits. You saw the selling on the time and sales, but you see this thing's just nuts. It keeps going. So some easy money there. At 213. I'm up about 13.55 on about 200 in commissions. So 1200 day so far. And look, if you look at any of the bank stocks, well, the ones that I like to look at are mostly GS and GS Bank, JP Morgan. They're all on highs. Very easy to play them this morning. And then I hear about C. That's not a high. It's kind of lagging behind. Might pick up a couple of thousand of this. Alright, getting in there 4,000. Got in at 343.